Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is a full face of makeup under $50. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. Before I get started, I would like to say that this was a fun challenge. It was very hard to find products that was under $50 and match up to $50. I primed my lid. So for eyeshadow, I have the Pixi Memorizing Mineral Duo in the shade Naturally Nude. This is it. And this is it. So this was very hard because I didn't have an eyeshadow that was under $50, you know, a low price thing, a new eyeshadow palette. So I sprayed my brush and it's going to go all over my lid. So I'm going to take this one right here. So this is going over my lid because there's no matte shades. Both of these are shimmery shades. I'm going to see something right now. So I am going to take my blending brush and I'm going to see if I can use this one. It's also shimmery shade too, but into the crease. I'm going to see what's going to happen. Ooh, it's pigmented. So it does work well on the crease. So I'm going to take my flat brush again and take the other shade once again. I'm just going to For eyeliner, I have Essence Kajal Pencil Liner. It's in the shade Black. Now for mascara, I'm going to use the Loreal Lash Paradise. And this one is in the shade Black. This is how the wand looks like. Now let's get into the skin. So for primer, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Cucumber 3-in-1 spray. This was like the only one I could find that's like super affordable. So I really like this one. This was my favorite last year, and this is still my favorite this year. I don't like the rose water one and the coconut one because it smells too sweet to me, and the cucumber one is very refreshing. Now for foundation, I have the Flawless Finish foundation in the shade Buff. Using my Wet n Wild sponge, very affordable. I'm using it dry because I forgot to wet it, so this is it. I'm using dry sponge. For concealer, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade Light Medium Beige. To set this concealer, I'm using the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. Now for bronzer and blush, I am going to use the e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronzing Cream. This is it, the bronzer and the blush. So for the bronzer, I have my Luxie Small Contour Brush. And remember, this e.l.f. Contouring Brush and Bronzing Cream palette is very super pigmented. I had this palette for many years since it first came out from e.l.f. So surprised that they still sell it. So I'm gonna take a little bit. Just look how pigmented. Look at this. So, because this is a cream, and you know cream products comes out more than powder or whatnot. And please note that I only use cream products during the fall and winter, because during the summertime I'm a greaseball and I have to use everything that has a powder formula. Look at it, look how pigmented. So I have to blend this. Then I'm going to take a little bit more, just a little bit, and apply some bronzer on my forehead. Just a little bit. You can't go heavy-handed with this product because, like I said, it's a cream product. Now for the blush side over here. I don't have like a skinny blush brush. They all like fat, so I'm just gonna take my Wet n Wild sponge again and take the pointy part, and I'm going to like take my sponge, is a little bit right here, and then make this face. And then take this and just bounce. Not bad. To highlight, and for highlighter, I'm gonna use this Shopmissa eyeshadow. It's by AOL Studio. It's a velour highlighter. This is it, and this is in the shade Clumsy. So this you can find in the Shopmissa website. It is super affordable. Everything on their website is $1, so this is $1 because, and I really like it, so I really want to share it to you in this video. Shopmissa Dollar Cream Eyeshadows. AOL Studio Velour Highlighter in the shade Clumsy. Now for the lips. For lipstick, I have the Makeup Revolution Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is it. And this one is in the shade Dollhouse. And this is how it looks like, the formula. Now to set this makeup, I'm going to use the same spray that I used before because it's a 3-in-1 spray. It's a prep, set, and refresh spray. Cucumber by Wet n Wild. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video that is under $50. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see new videos every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. So I'll see you in my next video.